Meaning of indigo.
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 Indigo. Indigo refers to a deep blue-violet color that falls between blue and violet on the color spectrum. It is one of the 7 colors of the rainbow and is also known as one of the spectral colors. The term indigo comes from the plant species Indigofera, which was historically used to create blue dyes. Today, indigo is still used for dyeing fabrics and is a popular color in fashion and design. It is also associated with intuition, spirituality, and the third eye chakra in some cultures and belief systems.